Let's dive into how the use of prefabricated steel buildings can specifically benefit the industrial real estate industry. One major benefit of prefabricated steel buildings for warehouse and logistics facilities is their ability to be customized to meet the unique needs of the business. This includes the size and layout of the building, as well as special features such as loading docks, mezzanine floors, and high ceilings to accommodate large storage racks. Additionally, the building can be designed to incorporate specialized equipment, such as conveyor systems, cranes and material handling equipment to maximize efficiency and productivity. Prefabricated steel buildings can also be designed to provide ample natural lighting and ventilation to create a comfortable and safe work environment for employees. Additionally, insulation options can help regulate temperature and reduce energy costs, which is important for warehouse facilities that may need to maintain a specific temperature for their products. Another advantage of prefabricated steel buildings for warehouse and logistics facilities is their quick construction time. Traditional building methods can take months or even years to complete, but prefabricated buildings can be erected in a matter of weeks, allowing businesses to begin operations sooner and start generating revenue. Furthermore, steel buildings are highly durable and require minimal maintenance, which can help reduce long-term operating costs for warehouse and logistics facilities. They are also resistant to pests, fire, and other environmental hazards, providing an added layer of protection for goods and employees. In conclusion, prefabricated steel buildings offer a versatile and cost-effective solution for warehouse and logistics facilities in the industrial real estate industry. With their customizable design options, quick construction time, durability, and low maintenance requirements, they are an attractive option for businesses looking to expand their operations or upgrade their current facilities. If you'd like to learn more about prefabricated steel buildings, visit us at alliedbuildings.com.